These unique arms from VDL are specifically designed to handle heavy loads. The flagship model can lift up to 40 tons onto a trailer. Even more impressive are the VDL Cam Plus and VDL Eye Control technologies. The first allows the driver to operate the arm manually in semi-automatic mode or fully automatically. The second focuses on safety, preventing accidents by intervening if the truck tilts excessively to either side. It is clear why VDL is a leading name in the Benelux market.
Forget those bulky locks and the tedious steps of loading and unloading. The Penta Wave system unlocks pallets, crates, and trailer cargo in seconds, requiring just a few simple gestures. It might seem like this tech is too good to trust, but behind Penta Wave are 1.7 million kilometers of trials at Death Truck's own facility. If there were an Oscar for this kind of tech, Penta Wave would take home a few golden statues without a doubt.
Trucks used in municipal, construction, and other services frequently end up in unexpected places and can even cause accidents when parked on the roadside. To protect distracted drivers, these trucks are equipped with specialized systems. Once deployed, these systems create a rounded barrier designed to absorb impacts, preventing a passenger car from sliding underneath. Additionally, these systems feature lights and signs, enhancing visibility in dark or foggy conditions. When folded down, the warning and safety structure takes up minimal space, preserving the truck body's free area and not significantly increasing its length.
Moves 36 tons in just 3.5 minutes. That's the power of a self-loading trailer. Hammer-E. And this isn't even its most impressive form. In the 110 version, stacking is an added perk, letting workers pile 2 containers with ease, each towering at 2.9 meters in solid height. To make that possible, Hammer includes extra supports. Even better, it safely handles up to 40 tons. And if the customer wants, there's a folding option, perfectly suited for 6 or 12 meter C containers. And when every inch of length truly matters, Hammer can be mounted straight onto the chassis.
The Slapner DB45 trailer has 2 key advantages. It is both a low bed and off-road capable design. This trailer can be coupled with a dump truck and is capable of transporting heavy equipment such as tracked bulldozers. With the Slapner DB45, you can reach the worksite faster while reducing unnecessary wear on the undercarriage. According to the developers, the undercarriage may last 2 or even 3 times longer than usual. With a carrying capacity of 45 tons, this trailer is ideal for transporting heavy machinery like drilling rigs and excavators. Additionally, its low bed design saves time and reduces stress for operators. IMET is once again ready to surprise us. This company specializes in equipment that transforms ordinary machinery into remote-controlled systems. IMET is prepared to work with virtually anything, from simple machines to tunnel boring machines, designing control panels that align perfectly with the customer's desires. In this case, we see a relatively compact solution. However, larger panels can be equipped with up to 9 joysticks, not to mention a 4.3-inch color display. The panels also come with a sensor that detects dangerous positions or falls, while the iReady system ensures nothing gets damaged if the operator accidentally presses a button. With this system, remote control will only activate when the operator points the controller at a specific location and stays within a designated radius. The ML team is offering an innovative solution. G may have started as a refrigeration parts maker, but it has since grown into one of the world's leading car manufacturers through its Verizon Auto brand. The Chinese automotive giant recently unveiled the home truck cabless truck. According to the company, self-driving technology will play a major role in shaping the future of commercial road transport. In fact, G forecasts that by 2030, driverless trucks will dominate the market. No wonder the home truck cabless truck boasts level 4 autonomy, enabling it to handle many scenarios without human involvement. Flexibility is key here. Chinese experts note that the supervan chassis allows for adjustable dimensions and various drivetrains. Fans of automotive design might notice nods to the Volvo Vera, Stein Winter Supercargo 2040, and other similar projects. Have you noticed what's been happening on the roads lately? Transformers are out there driving, artificial intelligence is watching over drivers, and autonomous systems are starting to take over trucking jobs. Stay updated with TechNew. Let's get it on. Even the military has taken an interest in Kodiak robotics technologies. A couple of trucks equipped by this company have already completed over 100 trips successfully. So, what exactly does Kodiak robotics do? If you've taken a close look at the truck cabin in the video, you might have already guessed: autonomous driving. The system responsible for this is called Kodiak Driver. It relies on cameras, radars, and LiDAR to drive with such efficiency that it lowers fuel consumption by 1/4. Plus, trucks running on Kodiak Driver can operate nearly around the clock, stopping only for refueling, diagnostics, loading, and unloading. Is this the future of long-haul trucking?
The Origami system was created in Western France back in the year 2000, designed specifically for containers and dump trucks. Its purpose? To cover them quickly and effortlessly with a net. Among similar systems, Origami stands out as the safest of all. The only manual task required is securing the cables, the rest runs automatically. But the developers didn't stop there. After carefully listening to user feedback, they redesigned the system to make it 35% lighter. Now it weighs just 650 kilograms. As for the nets, multiple choices exist, each custom made for use with Origami. So don't be surprised by the reinforced mesh it's built to deliver safe, reliable transport, even for waste loads.
Hilton Communal equips vehicles with rail cleaning systems that excel at polishing tram tracks using shearling technology. These systems employ specialized scrapers and brushes, along with a high-pressure system of 800 bar, ensuring effective cleaning even in complex areas such as switch tracks. Additionally, built-in suction components can handle up to 25,000 cubic meters per hour. The equipment is arranged so that these vehicles can seamlessly operate both on roads and railways, with dimensions designed to allow entry into subway tunnels. Engineers at BPW have developed an innovative axle that allows trailers to be steered while reversing. The first and most obvious advantage of this upgrade is improved maneuverability. Turning, circling, and parking all become much easier. The second advantage is financial. A truck with an upgraded trailer will save 1,000 liters of diesel and 4 tires over an annual mileage of 100,000 kilometers. The third and most advanced feature is self-monitoring. Thanks to the ARC system, the axle engages at speeds below 10 kilometers per hour and operates fully automatically.
Today, this truck hauls equipment. Tomorrow, it becomes a mobile workshop. In a few days, it's chasing down quad races as a full-on support vehicle. Behind all this flexibility is the FASXL cargo platform. In this build, it's fitted to a MANTGM 18.320 and lifts up to 875 kilograms with ease. What sets the platform apart is its clever design. It can carry both a quad bike and a spare tire for the truck. Better yet, the FAS10L is built to adapt, with swap-out bases that switch things up. The result? A platform with stunning range that's bound to turn heads and earn likes from fans of motorhomes, off-road rigs, and trucks that speak with style. At Krona, the work goes far beyond vehicles. They build smart commercial machines and parts. Look at the clever idea their engineers had: a system that transforms how axles behave. On winding roads where grip can be a risk, the driver lowers them to gain more control. That means more wheels on the road when needed and more safety when conditions turn tough. In a video, a Krona expert shares this. When speed crosses 10 kilometers per hour, the system lifts an axle on its own. No driver action, yet the change is instant. All of this runs on air-cushioned systems, where pressure adjusts how the axles move. Even better, lift axle supports are sold separately and fit with no need for teardown, no bolts removed. No long stops on the road, just smart design that respects your time. And behind it all is the eSmart system, a safety innovation you can rely on.
Check out this trailer. It not only carries up to 36,2 tons, but also extends in length. When fully stretched, it reaches 15 meters, significantly surpassing many competitors. A truck using this trailer can transport multiple pieces of equipment or long loads such as building materials. Its efficiency is further improved by a low-profile design and the adjustable Cush 25K air suspension, which guarantees optimal road clearance. We looked up the price, around $9,000.
Rear-view mirrors on cars haven't undergone major changes in the past 100 years until now. Perhaps it's time to move beyond them altogether. Rear is leading the way for mirrorless vehicles by utilizing cameras with at least two key advantages. Firstly, drivers can view the blind spot directly in front of the bumper via a separate monitor. Secondly, this technology boosts fuel efficiency by 5%. A bonus? These cameras are mounted on specially designed aerodynamic brackets. Schneider's system also improves nighttime visibility, as the 12-inch monitors are resistant to fog, raindrops, and other obstructions, while distance markers simplify parking. Collectively, drivers using this technology have already covered over 3 million kilometers. Would you give it a try?
Specialists at Napen Trailers are rethinking bumpers. You might assume there's nothing left to innovate, since their primary function is to protect vehicles from serious damage in minor collisions. However, Napen has a unique vision. They've developed a trailer bumper that can raise by 20 centimeters. Why is this useful? Because many countries regulate the minimum distance between the trailer bumper and the ground. On rough terrain, this distance can become too small, risking potential damage. Napen's bumper is remotely controlled, with its position visible from the cabin via indicator lights on the trailer.
Introducing the Zacklift Boom Crane 25T. With it, a regular tractor truck becomes a powerful multitasking tool. The crane was designed to work in harmony with the fifth wheel system, a brilliant upgrade that gives the vehicle a new level of strength. Extend the boom, and you'll lift up to 8.1 tons with precise control for delicate jobs. Retract it, and it shifts into tow mode, handling loads up to 22.6 tons. The crane is operated from a safe distance with a 6-button wireless remote. When pulling alone isn't enough, and you need total command of the load, the Zacklift Boom becomes your ace, the tool that steps in when things get tough and saves the day every time.
A shortage of truck drivers is a growing problem in many countries. For instance, Germany alone is short by about 1,000,000 professionals. While employers search for new drivers, companies like Evo Cargo offer a different solution. They don't just supply autonomous vehicles, they provide a comprehensive system. Evo Cargo's solution excels at short trips, such as within warehouse complexes. Small N1 electric vehicles handle the cargo, traveling up to 200 kilometers on a full charge while carrying loads of up to 2 tons. These vehicles can operate 24/7 if necessary, reducing transportation costs by an impressive 30%. Sticking with the theme of innovative trailers, let's explore 2 exceptional examples. First, the Globe 55. It doesn't just include a hydraulic axle, it also boasts a removable gooseneck tow hitch. Capable of carrying 55 tons, this trailer even includes a lockable toolbox for added convenience. Meanwhile, Elphinstone Engineering refuses to be outdone. Specializing in log hauling trailers, their designs feature an extraordinary transformation mechanism. When fully extended, the top model stretches to an impressive 33.5 meters and can handle loads of up to 68 tons. Manufactured in Switzerland, this transformer trailer was not designed for flashy YouTube videos, but for efficiency on local roads. Drivers must pay a road tax even when hauling an empty trailer, but now they can fold it up and only pay for the towing truck. This saves money on both taxes and tire wear. Additionally, the transformer trailer is more maneuverable than its conventional counterparts. If necessary, the folded trailer can be replaced with a standard one.
Translifter, a trailer equipped with a system that lifts and rotates its rear axles. But let's be honest, hearing about an ordinary trailer, no matter how flexible, doesn't exactly excite anyone. That's why we've chosen the MK1 and Master for a reason that matters. This is the world's first electric translifter completely free from fossil fuel use, cutting costs by about 35 million per year. What's more, the MK1's electrohydraulics don't rely on the truck's power, so whether it's paired with a shiny new electric rig or an old diesel beast, it still gets the job done with ease. Even if you buy a whole fleet of them, there's no need to replace your trucks. This is the future of freight transport, and it's already within our reach.
Bide and Pininfarina have teamed up to create the Exyn 2, an electric truck focused on aerodynamics and smart systems. The engineers achieved an aerodynamic drag coefficient of just 0.35 for context. The Tesla Model E's coefficient is 0.32. The truck's smart systems are equally impressive, using cameras, lasers, and sensors to detect obstacles up to a kilometer away. While its 300-kilometer range might seem modest, consider this: the battery fully charges in just an hour, and it can be swapped for a new one in 6 minutes. When folded, the railgate platform fits snugly against the trailer doors. When extended, it efficiently transports loads back and forth. What an upgrade this is! Especially valued by drivers who deliver goods to stores every day. Depending on the model, the railgate platform lifts either 1134 or 1361 kilograms. All platforms are equipped with a compact and discrete toggle switch by default, which turns off automatically after 5 minutes of inactivity. An optional remote control can be ordered, along with a power switch for the platform that can be installed inside the cabin. And if you do not yet have a truck, the creators of Railgate also offer smaller models for vans and pickups. How can commercial freight transport be made safer? Stoneridge provides a solution with MirrorEye, their digital rear-view mirror system. Instead of traditional mirrors, these offer drivers significantly more information. Now they can clearly see blind spots, monitor the trailer while reversing, and keep track of it during turns. MirrorEye automatically shifts to a panoramic mode. The digital mirrors do not fog up, do not glare under the sun, and remain unaffected by snow. They display an HD image on two 12.3-inch monitors regardless of the weather. Additionally, trucks equipped with digital mirrors consume about 3% less fuel.
Picture a bus that barely leans in curves. That doesn't dive when brakes are hit hard. That glides over the roughest potholes. Even more, this bus resists the harshest steering jolts. No sudden yanks or pulls. In short, bumps and dips don't shake the steering wheel. That calm confidence comes from the V-Series suspension by Freightliner. Engineers crafted it to help passengers forget every jolt, and drivers to feel none of the wheel's unwanted movement. It was built to endure and perform with bushings lasting up to 240,000 kilometers without any signs of wear or tear. And that's the kind of strength we need for modern-day roads and brutal highways.
The Zazlav Trails trailer may seem ordinary at first glance. It features a deck measuring 12, 6-core 2, 4 meters and a galvanized steel frame. So, what makes it worth mentioning? Here's the surprise: it includes a unique and incredibly practical feature. It's not about the removable sides or even the liftable axle. This trailer is a tipper, capable of tilting both left and right. This remarkable functionality is achieved through 3 hydraulic cylinders, each with a pressure of 160 bar. As a result, this trailer isn't just more versatile than most, it can also save significant unloading time in various situations. The Hammer drum loader is quite a unique trailer designed specifically for handling cable drums. This focus explains its low-profile design and integrated pair of cranes. The 2024 model boasts a lifting capacity of up to 52 tons, allowing it to handle drums up to 4.2 meters in diameter. To ensure stability, the trailer features retractable supports. Customers are thrilled. There is no longer a need to coordinate with a forklift, and the time required to prepare the cable for transport has been cut down from an hour to just a few minutes.
A single vehicle that replaces an entire fleet of heavy machines? The HAR26 is far more than just a truck with a hook, it's a true multitasking warrior. Built for both construction sites and landfills, it lifts up to 26 tons with ease and handles any size or type of container. And it does all that faster than you can finish typing a comment on this video. In just 90 seconds, it's loaded or unloaded. But power isn't all the harsh HH26 brings. It's built for comfort too. Optional features include a full in-cab monitoring system and hydraulic locks that safely secure containers. If moving containers is your mission and you can't compromise on strength, the harsh HH26 is the perfect fit. It's a machine that simply doesn't understand the word impossible.
A Techila Thermo specializes in manufacturing advanced refrigeration units for cargo vehicles. The company thrives in working with clients from the Middle East, where temperatures can climb to 45 degrees Celsius, even in the shade. Their systems perform exceptionally well in extreme heat. For instance, the TR1500S model is designed for trucks up to 25 tons, cools up to 45 square meters, and is ideal for transporting frozen products.
Kyloader is a next-gen system for loading and unloading trucks with speed. It's faster than drivers can sip coffee. No more endless waiting or wasted hours. Now the whole process takes just minutes. Say goodbye to long lines and downtime. With Kyloader in place, you can slash dock usage by 5 times without losing a single ounce of freight movement power. How does it work? The truck backs into a ramp that adjusts its height on its own. Then, strong arms sweep in and grip all the cargo at once, no piece left behind. In this example, just 5 minutes were enough to load 33 full pallets. If every logistics solution worked like this, the world would move at full speed.
An innovative printer that attaches to a truck and prints road markings at incredible speeds. Each marking element takes less than 30 seconds. The printer uses a specialized thermoplastic paint that maintains its color and integrity for many years. It is also highly durable, with certain types used exclusively on runways. With this printer, workers not only complete tasks faster, but also operate more safely, especially when applying markings on busy highways. Several years ago, Jost introduced the KKS automatic coupling system, revolutionizing trucking. With this system, drivers can connect or disconnect tractor units and semi-trailers without leaving their seat, similar to gameplay in video games like Euro Truck Simulator 2. Simply back up gently until the kingpin locks securely into the fifth wheel coupling. The mechanism closes automatically, eliminating the need to manually connect electrical or pneumatic systems. This reduces errors or damage from misaligned couplings, making the KKS system invaluable for both traditional and autonomous trucking.
The SP series side puller systems turn an ordinary tow truck into a rescue expert that can pull a wrecked car out of almost any nightmare spot. In its top-tier setup, this system handles loads up to 9 tons with ease and features a boom that goes beyond. It performs even when the vehicle is trapped on a slope and only reachable from the side, no direct access needed. Its auto-leveling stabilizers adjust to the ground beneath, turning rough or uneven surfaces into a solid base. While others struggle with tough calls, the SP series side puller crew is already wrapping up the recovery. Entry-level versions of the system can be yours, starting at just $0.000. The global wheel lock system secures trailer wheels with a smooth yet unyielding grip. Just like that, loading and unloading become calm and safe. Its hold is so firm, it actually doubles the truck's pulling power in first gear. And in a world where every second of downtime means money slipping away, global wheel lock is a game changer. It even helps align the trailer perfectly with the dock. No more dangerous reversing, rough bumps, shouted commands, or rising tension. Built from solid steel, the system is easy to maintain and always ready to perform rain, snow, or blazing sun.
Thank you for watching today's TechNew video. If you find these technological inventions useful, remember to hit the like button and subscribe to see more shocking content. Share your thoughts about these inventions in the comments section below. See you next time.